been stuck inside my old life stream, chasing highs that never stay with me. Yeah, the sea to sea dripping through my broken seams, but it never fixed the parts I couldn't see. Empty moments in a crowded place, ecstasy whispers wrapped around my face. LSD colors running out of space, acid in the memories I can't erase. But the years turning over and I'm sober in my mind. I've been losing my power, now I'm taking back the light. I want real dopamine, not the hits that fade. I want a brand new scene where my soul feels safe. I'm turning off the stream of the life I made. I want real dopamine, real dopamine, real dopamine, real dopamine. I mistook illusions for a remedy. All these metaphors living rent-free. These see-to-see shadows trying to follow me, but I'm walking to a new reality. And the MN nights that felt like love, ecstasy highs that lifted me up, endless skies that never rose above, acid words that taught me to toughen up. And the clock keeps moving, but I'm moving too. I'm done with illusions, I'm ready for truth. I want real dopamine, not the hits that fade. I want a brand new scene where my heart feels brave. I'm turning off the stream of the life I played. I want real dopamine, real dopamine. Goodbye to the bullshit, goodbye to the noise, goodbye to the highs I mistook for joy. Hello to the sunrise, hello to my voice, hello to the new me. I'm making my choice. I want real dopamine, not the hits that fade. I want a brand new scene where my soul feels safe. I'm upgrading the dream to a brand new wave. I want real dopamine.